Hello, welcome to our 2024 4th of July discount extravaganza. People have been waiting for this since last year, and I promise you, this year, as usual, we will blow the discounts out of the water. Today, I'll show you discounts for all our new V3 digital wireless systems. The 1080p ones, with the 300-foot range, those. We will give you an across-the-board price reduction on all our wired AHD commercial systems. Those are the ones that came out 3 months ago and that are all 1080p with all the goodies and all the upgrades. We have crazy deals on our blind spot system, as well as a category-wide discount for all our parking backup sensors. And don't worry, for those of you that have saved that 360 system in their cart, savored it and watched the price go up and down for the last 3 months, you know who you are. We got some Looney Tune deals for you as well. Look, between runaway inflation and high interest rates, we know people out there are hurting. This is our way of reducing that pain. And more importantly, this is our way of saying thanks to the greatest country that God put on earth. Let's get started.